Today, we're diving into some surprising places you might be forgetting to clean in your home. These often overlooked areas can harbor more dirt and grime than you might think. It's about creating a clean and serene environment where you can truly relax and feel at peace. Cleaning these forgotten spaces is a small act of self-care, a way to show love and gratitude for the home that shelters and comforts us. So let's roll up our sleeves, gather our cleaning supplies, and embark on this journey to transform your home into a haven of peace and cleanliness. But first, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring the bell for more cleaning tips and tricks. Have you ever stopped to consider how many times a day you touch your light switches? Each flick of the switch can transfer oils and dust, leaving them grimy and dull. But don't worry, restoring their sparkle is simple. A gentle wipe with a disinfectant wipe is all it takes to banish germs and bring back that like-new shine. Make it a habit to wipe down your light switches regularly, perhaps once a week, and feel the joy of a truly clean home, one small detail at a time. Our trusty remote controls, companions for movie nights and relaxing evenings, attract dirt and grime just like any other surface in our homes. Simply remove the batteries and gently wipe down the entire surface, including those little buttons, with a disinfectant wipe. Pay attention to those hard-to-reach crevices where crumbs and dust might hide. Once clean, replace the batteries and relish the feeling of a sparkling clean remote, ready for your next viewing pleasure. Doorknobs, much like light switches, are high-traffic areas in our homes. Every entry and exit involves a touch, transferring oils and germs onto these often overlooked surfaces. Maintaining their cleanliness is as simple as a quick wipe with a disinfectant wipe. Embrace the joy of a truly clean home, extending to every detail, even the humble doorknob. Our refrigerators, those beloved keepers of our favorite foods, deserve a little extra attention when it comes to cleaning. The handles in particular are often neglected despite being touched multiple times throughout the day. A quick wipe with a disinfectant wipe is all it takes to banish those unseen culprits and keep our fridges sparkling and hygienic. Remember, a clean fridge handle contributes to a cleaner and healthier kitchen overall. Our computer keyboards, those portals to the digital world, can become a haven for dust, crumbs, and other unwelcome guests. A can of compressed air can work wonders in blowing away loose debris lurking between the keys. Follow this up with a gentle wipe down using a disinfectant wipe, paying attention to each key and the surrounding surface. Your keyboard will not only be visibly cleaner, but also a healthier space for your fingertips. Our cell phones, constant companions throughout the day, deserve a little extra care when it comes to cleanliness. We take them everywhere, from the office to the grocery store, exposing them to a myriad of germs and bacteria. A quick and easy solution is to use a disinfectant wipe specifically designed for electronics. Gently wipe down the entire surface of your phone, paying close attention to the screen, buttons, and any crevices where dirt might collect. For an even deeper clean, consider using a UV sanitizer, which uses ultraviolet light to kill germs and bacteria. Faucet handles, those unassuming fixtures in our kitchens and bathrooms, play a crucial role in our daily hygiene routines. We touch these handles before and after washing our hands, potentially transferring germs and bacteria onto their surfaces. Reach for your trusty disinfectant wipe and give those handles a thorough cleaning, paying attention to the base and any grooves where grime might collect. By keeping our faucet handles clean, we create a healthier environment for ourselves and our loved ones. The toilet flush handle, an often dreaded yet essential part of any bathroom. It's a high-traffic area that sees a lot of action, yet it's often overlooked when it comes to cleaning. Reach for your trusty disinfectant cleaner and give that handle a good scrub. Pay attention to the underside and any grooves where germs might be hiding. Remember, a clean toilet handle is a small but significant step towards a cleaner and healthier bathroom. I hope these simple tips inspire you to tackle those often forgotten areas in your home. Remember, a clean home is a happy home, a sanctuary where you can truly relax and feel at peace. Thanks for stopping in today, and we'll see you in the next video.